Hi guys, my name is Austin Parrish. I want to talk about HTC Dan Locke's program. And first of all, I want to say it's been the best investment I've ever made, hands down. And what motivated me to join this course was to have the time freedom, work from anywhere and just generate large sums of income. And what separates this course from any other course I've done, it's actual live program. So live training, you hop on a call with him once a week for 7 weeks for about 2 to 3 hours. And I will say it's not for everybody in the sense that you can't just watch the video and boom, you're done. But if you actually put in the work, you do the homework assignments, you're committed to this, then you're gonna do amazing at this. And if you're on the fence about it, just jump in and you won't regret it.